I was gifted this gait belt. I wanted to show it up close so you can see kind of what it looks like. So we have, of course, the handles right here. There's 3 horizontal handles, 2 vertical ones, and they do have a little bit of a gap so you can hold on to it like that. The back side is this grippy material. So if it's over their clothes, it's not going to be slipping and sliding. I feel like it'll hold on pretty tight. It is kind of thin. I thought it would be a little thicker and more padded. But once again, if it's over your clothes, I feel like it will be comfortable enough. I'm going to show you it on real quick. Okay, so this is the front view. And then on the back, you have your handles. So if you were helping somebody walk, and if you just need a hand, you can help them. You can kind of adjust them as needed. And this is kind of a looser handle. I actually like this one best in the back, I think, for helping. But yeah, it looks like it could be a great little help. It's not gonna be comfortable to sit in if you have an elderly person or somebody who needs assistance. They're not gonna wanna sit like in a recliner in this. I feel like these would be a little uncomfortable, but it's definitely a great little help for walking around. I also want to point out this is pretty adjustable. So you can have this, a ton of slack. You can tighten it up. This fits both me and my husband pretty well. So if we needed this, we could use this. I say it would fit, a woman, like a smaller framed woman up to a larger person if they needed it. So it's a very adjustable, very good size that way.